Cool. So if you the door is locked and we've got a door locking error, so to unlock it, so you'll get on the screen, it'll be something like door locking error and you won't be able to do anything. So turn the unit off with the power switch on the side here. This black dot, if you feel with your thumb, there's a little bit of an indentation. You've got to put a reasonable amount of firm pressure, push that and keep holding, and then at the same time push the power on. Keep holding your thumb down until you come up to the menu. Then you'll get, it'll say locking device, and push the enter key to unlock, and then that will unlock it and you'll hear it unlock, and then push the up key and it'll go through its normal setup. The other thing just to check when you're having door locking errors is that when we turned it on we heard a sequence of beeps. If we don't hear any beeping, then it will need a technician to come and unlock the door. But hopefully that will make it easier for you to do that. Thank you.